Alright guys, we're here at Home Depot. We're going to be seeing if we can find some polyurethane type of paint in the spray, because I saw this thing about how to fill in gaps in 3D print. So I was thinking, let me try it, see if it actually does work, and if it does work I will share it with you guys, and hopefully it will help a lot of you guys out in the future with your 3D prints. Alright, so let's get going. Alright guys, I think we have it here. Yes, clear. Just exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for clear. It's like a varnish stain, but it's, like I said, it's an acrylic. It's an acrylic polyurethane, which is very good. So we're gonna take some of this. So we're gonna see. I'm actually gonna buy just 2 of these, just in case, because it's very hard to find. So we're gonna go and get this. I gotta honestly say, when you go to Home Depot, you can actually find the most interesting of things. Like, look at this thing. This is actually to hide your lock on your door. It's kind of a weird thing, you know. It's like for the Gothic homeowners, this is what you need for your lock. Got it. Alright guys, so I finally found the varnish. It took a week to find it. Home Depot said they were going to get it yesterday and for me to come today. I got here today. It was there. They had a whole new amount of them. And I was looking for the clear one because I'm going to be mixing a plastic-based paint with that to fill in the ridges of the print lines in the print. So let's see how it goes, and I'm going to show you the process, how it goes, and how it's going to be done. And if it works, it's all good. You guys can try it. I'll be telling you if I can recommend it or not. Alright guys, now that we have our polyurethane clear coat paint and our paints for our helmet, what we're going to be doing first is do a little bit of sanding to remove the little zits that you see on the side of the print. These are little zits that came off from the extrusion process of the print being made. So what we're going to do is sand it. I'm going to be using a 220 grit sandpaper, which I really recommend if you want to remove the zits, if you want to go with this technique of filling in the layer lines. So a few little passes with a palm sander and you'll be good. After that, you want to go straight into the paint, give it a nice thick coating. After that, right away, use the clear coat polyurethane lacquer. Give it like 2 to 3 coats. After that, this is the final result of the drawing. As you can see on the back of this back piece of the helmet, basically a spot filler to fill in the gaps from where the print was actually printing with support material, because there was no way to smooth it out with just the polyurethane and the paint. So with the spot filler, it actually gave it a nice smooth finish, matching with the rest of the material. And for the bottom of the chin, there was also support material there, so instead of using the spot putty, I went with Bondo just to give it that nice, strong, structured look to the helmet. And now we have the primer, a nice 2x primer by Harris. Look at this puppy, I guess a nice little shake, and voila! As you can see, a nice, smooth 3D print ready for paint. Awesome, awesome. We have got ourselves a nice, smooth Mighty Morphin Power Ranger Black Ranger helmet. This thing looks insane. It looks so good, nice and smooth. It basically looks almost like a casted helmet, basically. Like sheer, so smooth, and it just looks awesome, and all that's left now is just to add the latches, the hinge system, and the breathing hose, obviously, and the visor, and the paint. And this thing is just gonna look. This thing is gonna look awesome. It's gonna look beautiful. And I can't wait to show you guys the finished process of this beautiful helmet and other helmets I'm gonna be making along the way. You know, I'm gonna be making some Batman cowls, some more Power Ranger helmets, some Red Hood helmets. You name it, I'm gonna be making it. And if you guys are interested in finding out more about what I'm gonna be working on, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm going to be bringing more 3D printed helmets and props your way, so you can see what I'm going to be making in the process. This thing is just so beautiful. It's just awesome. You wouldn't think that this is actually a 3D printed helmet, but as you can see from the back, it is. It just looks awesome. You can see so clearly in this thing. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what else you want to see coming up on this channel, and I will make sure to bring you more content your way of 3D printed helmets, armors, and props. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a good week and a good night, and talk to you later.